Take two.
Right,
here we go. Dan, it's tight, for fuck's sake.
Bottom arm, the leg bit.
What's he doing? What's he doing?
It's good. I was going to put it on the leg bit.
Oh yeah, so then it's the same size then, isn't it?
Same height, roughly.
Yeah.
It'll be a bit stronger down the bottom.
Yep,
should be. In theory.
In theory?
In theory.
Are you filming it?
Yeah, mate. Mate, this is going on Facebook. Dan v Lampost. Look how your mechanics crew's expanded in one day.
Well, I didn't do nothing.
Ian's Midnight Mechanics and Co.
Mate, I ain't done nothing.
Dan, you're not doing anything wrong.
No, you're not doing nothing wrong, Langford. That's going to sound fucking
I like to see them pull out regulations that say you're not allowed to do this. Just have it! Throttle it! Fuck! Mate, that thing is tough as steel. And he's gonna have it, isn't he?
He's gonna have it again.
No,
What's he doing? No, I think that's a good idea, look. Hey, he's smoking.